With me is Carlos Sardinas, the CFO of Laser Photonics, to talk about really, Carlos, what has been pretty astounding revenue growth, 300% year over year for the second straight quarter. So what do you think is driving that, and is that even sustainable?
Well, so it's always been part of the strategy to grow the revenue of the company, a combination of organic growth of our clean tech product line, along with our laser marking systems, as well as acquisition growth from the company we purchased last fall, Control Microsystems. We call them CMS. They've contributed as well for this year.
Yeah. Okay. So now, in terms of gross margins, also those expanded more than 53%. So how did you achieve that? And you announced a $2 million a year cost reduction program. So talk about that, how that will benefit the company as well.
Absolutely. So the results are a combination of product mix being more favorable this year. We've sold more profitable units, along with focusing on operational improvements in the factory. As you mentioned, the $2 million savings that we executed in the second quarter was a combination of right-sizing the business and the administrative functions such as marketing and sales. And we've also taken steps to improve our operations.
And Laser Photonics has surged 200% year to date. So from your perspective, what are investors seeing there?
So what I see is they're recognizing the performance of the company. We were able to provide our financial statements recently, and shortly after that, we saw improvement in the stock market almost immediately. That combined with our efforts with the defense DoD business and our announcement of the acquisition of Beamer Marking Systems, I think all of that has put together a great story that investors are seeing that potential.
Yeah, you mentioned the Beamer acquisition. So talk about that. Why was that a good strategy? How does this transform your ability to scale?
Sure thing. So Beamer Microsystems is historically a $3 to $5 million business based in the United States. They have a standard product for laser marking systems that's been well known in the industry for 20 years. They have a distribution network of 19 sites, along with 5 demonstration sites, 19 distributors and 5 demonstration sites. Everything's built in the US, which helps us with any tariff issues that we would have seen in the traditional clean tech business, which did source from overseas. So we're diversifying our portfolio even further and making sure that our supply chain is secure.
And then, so looking forward, what are your goals in the near term for Laser Photonics?
Absolutely. So the completion of our integration of CMS and Beamer, along with the core Laser Photonics Corporation, is a big focus. Finalizing on the strategy of the operational efficiencies that we've gained earlier in the year, along with executing and continuing to win new business with our Fortune 500 customer base.
Okay. Well, thank you very much. Very interesting to hear about this. Congratulations on these very impressive numbers. How can investors follow you and find out more about what Laser Photonics is doing?
So we have a website secured as www.lase.com, which you could see all kinds of new investor relations data being posted to daily, as well as our traditional website, www.laserphotonics.com. We're also on all the socials, so LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. You could follow us there, and we do occasional press releases talking about the strategy of the company that we'll continue to do and let our investor community know what the direction of the company is going forward.
Yeah. Okay. Well, very interesting to hear about your results and your strategy going forward. Thank you so much, Carlos.
All right. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you.